I am Dr. Qureshi, Azhar Qureshi, that's my full name. I am a practicing physician and I am in the business for the last nearly 38 years. And that's the age of our organization, MESCO, about 38, 39 years. Now I would like to give a brief introduction because we have a PowerPoint presentation here. Well, this organization was started by us, few of friends of us who were studying in this area. There's a school here called St. Michael's School, and we were the students there. And we used to live here in this area, behind this dargah here. And we were in an English medium school, and we had colleagues who were coming from the underprivileged section of the society and couldn't afford good education. So at that time we had thought that our community, especially the Muslim community here, needed good education, because as you know, many of our families send their children to the madrasas, which are in the news today, and that's the education they used to give. Few of us who had a background of education and those communities, those families which were which had money, they used to send children to good schools. But many of these children coming from the lower section of the society were deprived of education, and so we thought that why not try to help them out so that they get good education. So we started this organization in 38 years back and called it MESCO, Modern Education Social Culture Organization. First we were a few and others joined us, and in the beginning, the first year, we had a budget of about 6,000 rupees. And as years passed, we went to our own colleges. I did my medicine. My colleague Dr. Abbas Kharkade did his PhD in microbiology, but still we were attached to this organization, and later we got it registered in the Charity Commissioner, and now today this is one of the leading organization, NGO in Bombay, who is looking after education, poverty relief and medical relief. We have got various schemes, well thought of schemes through which we operate, and as you all will see in the PowerPoint presentation, how much difference that has made. Few friends get together and start an organization, a small organization, and it has made a difference to so many people, so many families. Believe me, I have seen with my own eyes a child who was in a jhopda. We call it a jhopda here, a jaggi or a hutman, which are plenty here in Bombay. He lived in a hut. He was adopted by us at the 8th standard, and today, believe me not, he is a doctor. He is living in a flat, and he is not only supporting himself, but he is supporting the entire family. Now this is the way things differ, they make a difference, you see. And I always say, wherever I talk about our organization, that we require hundreds of MESCOs in India at least to spread this message that few people who are educated, well off, should always look after those people who are deprived of this opportunity to be educated and to improve their quality of life. In a nutshell, that's the story of MESCO, and we are still there, the founders of this organization. We have prepared a second line of command. These students who are joined us as committee members are the students whom we had helped at one time under the education adoption scheme, and now they are the members here, and hopefully this will continue. I would like to thank you all for having taken interest in us and having come all the way to interact with us, and I hope when you go out today you will be well informed and you will do something for this organization and for this country. Thank you very much.
I would like to suggest that we have a round of introductions, because we don't know from which organization or which country or which press you belong to. And I would like to begin by introducing my team over here. I am Abbas Katkade. I am the Executive Secretary, and as he said, we started the organization in 1968. This is Mr. Mohsin. He is our Administrative Officer, Mohsin Sheikh. This is Shabnam. He is the Education Counselor. He has done a Master's in Vocational Guidance and Counseling. This is Shamail Sheikh. She is a Fundraising Officer, and she has done her M.Com. That's our CEO. She is the Chief Executive Officer at MESCO. She has done her MA in Psychology, and she joined us recently. We were looking out for a CEO for a long time, and finally she has taken that position. So I think we'll begin with a PowerPoint presentation, as Dr. Qureshi has mentioned. You will see the different activities. Basically, we are in 3 areas: education, medical assistance, really financial assistance, and also some medical programs, like we have an ambulance and a mobile clinic. And then we fund for different surgeries, and we try to give assistance for who are going for a simple operation like appendix, or they are going in for a cataract operation. So there are 2 streams in that. We elaborate when she does the PowerPoint presentation, but basically it is 3 areas: education, where again institution and scholarship program is there;